I want to show you how to use this foot peel mask. It was sent to me by the brand Lavinso so that I could make a video and show you how to use it. Soak your feet in warm water for 10 to 20 minutes. Now I will cut the package open and take the booties out, show you what they look like. Here they are. They're plastic. They have some kind of gel inside them. So I have to cut the top off along here so I can get them on my feet. Some little stickers came with them to tape them shut. And I can put it on like that. Now I will put the other one on. And then I'm supposed to leave these booties on for 60 minutes. So I'm going to put socks on so I'll be able to walk around. Okay, that's one foot done. And then I'll do the other foot, and after 60 minutes I'll come back. It's been 60 minutes. So now it's time to take off the booties. And then I'll go wash this off with soap and water. It should be 3 to 5 days, and then they should start peeling. So I'll come back and add that to the video. My feet are peeling pretty good today. Here's one foot, and here's the other one. Here's my feet after 9 days. Smooth on the bottom, smooth on the heel. Baby soft. I'm glad I did it. I highly recommend this foot peel.